Hey, guys, what is up?
Get them kids.
I want to find Cosmo. I want to remember Cosmo. I can't because these people are calling their dog. They have to come and get me from the spot, bro.
I mean, punch him technically. I want to do that.
Bumbo I can't remember me. You want to help him, bro. You throw more hello vehicles. I'm getting 2v1. Brother, my 2v1 me.
You fighting?
Yeah, brother, my 2v1 right now, bro.
I can't have to Cosmo, bro.
Get a fight too.
Then you can finish it.
Hit me there, yeah. Tell them about this.
Why is Cosmo jump? You know, let me check Cosmo.
My little got gutted. Dude. The only people that's not gutted is Salt Killer.
Yo, this a good content for you still get.
Yeah,
Yo, fuck.
Help Euphoria.
Hell no, bro. I just got fucking gate.
No, that's one of them that said, bro.
Yo,
You're not gay. Bro, you're gonna get flooded by Lodrum and BLD.
Wait, no, I guess not. Yes, I'm
Lodrum's not Florida. Lodrum's not Florida. Lodrum's Cali. Lodrum's Cali.
never mind. I might lose.
Yeah, he is.
Bro, I like him. Yeah, I kinda love him, bro.
Yo, you tell me what I be the light work leader from Elizabeth, dog? Channel.
I lost the call jump.
No, you know.
R.I.P. Yo, bro. Oh, yeah, that's why I lost. I have my mouse charging and I'm on that thing, bro. Holy.
He's running. There's no way.